Hello everyone, I am John from Shandong Renke. Today I would like to introduce our industrial-grade temperature vibration sensor. This device has built-in temperature sensor and vibration sensor, which enables multi-parameter measurement, especially suitable for monitoring the operating status of fans, motors, and other mechanical equipment. This vibration sensor is installed in key locations of equipment, such as gearboxes and generators, to monitor vibration details in real time. Its high-precision sensor can measure tiny vibration signals and convert them into clear data. Supporting 3-axis measurement function, data can be uploaded to the cloud platform via advanced LoRa wireless technology, or transmitted via RS485 and analog wired transmission. Connect to the customer's phone platform or display. Once the vibration data exceeds the preset value, the sensor will trigger an alarm to remind the staff to check in time. In addition, the sensor can perform in-depth analysis and fault diagnosis of vibration data by analyzing the frequency, amplitude, phase, and other data of the vibration signal. It is possible to accurately determine whether the motor is faulty. For example, spectrum analysis technology can effectively identify gearbox wear and fracture problems. Our vibration sensor has high accuracy, high flexibility, low power consumption, and strong anti-interference ability. Vibration response speed can reach milliseconds. Built-in large-capacity lithium-ion battery with a battery life of up to 8 years, provide users with stable and reliable monitoring services. Our vibration sensors provide threaded, magnetic, and other installation methods, easy to install. For more details, please contact Shandong Renke.